period ending near 8 a.m. this morning.
Switch this on. Yes, I see you, thing.
This is NOAA Weather Radio. All hazards. Station WXJ84 in Charleston, West Virginia. Broadcasting on a frequency of 162.4 megahertz. Originating from the National Weather Service Office in Charleston, West Virginia. The current time is 10:56 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. These are the regional weather observations at 10 a.m. In Charleston, under mostly sunny skies. The temperature was 34 degrees, the dew point 29, and the relative humidity 82%. The wind was southeast at 3 miles an hour. Barometric pressure 30.28 inches and rising. Huntington reports sunny and 35 degrees. Athens, Ohio reports mostly sunny and 35 degrees. At Beckley, sunny and 37 degrees. At Logan, fair and 37 degrees. At Elkins, sunny, 28 degrees. In Morgantown, sunny and 40. At Parkersburg, sunny, 36. At Lewisburg, sunny, 36. And at Clarksburg, sunny, 36 degrees. Here are the latest river levels at 10:10 a.m. For the Kanawha River at Southside Bridge in Charleston, the stage was 7.97 feet at 10 a.m. For the Elk River at Queen Shoals, the stage was 5.73 feet at 9:45 a.m. For the Big Toe River at Ashford, the stage was 2.25 feet at 10:20 a.m. For the Little Toe River at Danville, the stage was 1.88 feet at 10:15 a.m. For the Toe River at Tornado, the stage was 10.36 feet. Here is the latest weather synopsis for the Middle Ohio Valley and Central Appalachians. KCRW 280,946 WRKSY, and warming trend starts today.
Nice
with
job,
southwest
Charleston.
flow. Quiet and dry weather is expected at least through Thursday, but the south to southwest flow eventually brings moisture up from the Gulf of Mexico. This, combined with low pressure, is likely to bring a wet, not white, New Year's Eve. The system pulls out first thing Sunday morning, and high pressure brings a dry start to the first work week of the new year. The mild weather continues with the next system, due Tuesday, to again bring all rain. Here is the forecast for the greater Charleston area, issued at 9:35 a.m. Rest of today, sunny. Not as cool with highs in the lower 50s. Light and variable winds. Tonight, clear. Not as cool with lows in the lower 30s. Light and variable winds. Thursday, sunny. Highs in the upper 50s. Light and variable winds, becoming south around 10 miles an hour in the afternoon. Thursday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 30s. Light and variable winds. Here is the forecast for Raleigh, Fayette, and Nicholas counties, issued at 9:35 a.m. Rest of today, sunny. Not as cool with highs in the upper 40s. Light and variable winds. Gusts up to 20 miles an hour late this morning. Tonight, clear. Lows in the lower 30s. South winds around 10 miles an hour. Thursday, sunny. Highs in the mid-50s. Light and variable winds, becoming south around 10 miles an hour in the afternoon. Thursday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-30s. Light and variable winds. The extended forecast for the WXJ84 listening area, Friday and Friday night, mostly cloudy. A 50% chance of rain showers. Highs in the upper 50s. Lows in the lower 40s. Saturday and Saturday night, showers. Highs in the upper 50s. Lows in the mid-40s. Chance of rain 80%. New Year's Day and Sunday night, mostly cloudy. A 40% chance of showers. Highs in the upper 50s. Lows in the lower 40s. Monday and Monday night, mostly cloudy. A 50% chance of rain showers. Highs in the upper 50s. Lows in the upper 40s. Tuesday and Tuesday night, showers likely. Highs in the mid-60s. Lows in the upper 40s. Chance of rain 70%. Now here is the regional climatic report. The following are the low temperatures recorded between 7 p.m. last night
What did I
and
just
7
say?
a.m. this morning. For Beckley, 22. Charleston, 19. Huntington, 22. Elkin, 16. For Bluefield, 29.
I don't care then.
Martinsburg, 18. Parkersburg, 19. At Clarksburg, 21. Morgantown, 21. Wheeling, 23. And in Lewisburg, 20. The following are the high temperatures yesterday. For Beckley, 34. Charleston, 36. Huntington, 35. Elkins, 34. For Bluefield, 36. Martinsburg, 41. Parkersburg, 33. At Clarksburg, 35. Morgantown, 32. Wheeling, 29. And in Lewisburg, 31. There was no precipitation. This is the National Weather Service office in Charleston, West Virginia. The preceding signal was a test of the station's public
Oh,
warning
great, my
system.
zone guard's going off.
During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal and warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is the threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties reached by this weather radio station: Boone, Cabell, Clay, Fayette, Jackson, Kanawha, Lincoln, Mason, Nicholas, Putnam, Raleigh, Roane. Now here is the regional climatic report. The following are the low temperatures recorded between 7 p.m. last night and 7 a.m. this morning. For Beckley, 22. Charleston, 19.
I'm hardly flying.
Huntington, 22. Elkin, 16. For Bluefield, 29.
So I could shut off the stupid Bearcat. Well. Test was successful, and apparently it scared Donovan. Back in the 102.
You scared Donovan. Where's he at?
My bed, he was sleeping.
Oh.
And I grabbed the Bearcat so I could have a same compatible radio out here go off. My scanner. I've got my zone guard out there, but still go off for it. And that one doesn't turn itself off. You have to push a button to make it stop beeping. And Donovan said he about did everything on himself. And he said, I needed to get up, so it's okay. Today, my replacement 74105 for my first one's the game the Cat during a couple of years back, or a year ago, a year and a half, it was a year and a half, and my 102 had their first activations. Yay. What'd you say, Granny?